fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me. But without the bounty on your heads, recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you. This is me. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You talk am I fine for a friend? Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You worry too much, R5. I will never send them any place dangerous till I damage the ship. You're back. I did not think I would see you again after the incident. You're braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, despite what you may have heard, my friends, when you work for Onaka Transport Solutions, there is no need to worry. Everything is precise, professional, and... What do you mean, system failure? Oh, that's what you mean by system failure. Of course, I repaired the power couplers. I mean, not personally, but I had someone repair the... I think I had someone repair the power couplers. Never mind that. R5, access the emergency power supply. Offline. What good is an emergency power supply if it's not ready in an emergency? This is unacceptable. I have a ship ready, a crew waiting, and nobody is making me any money. Does anyone have a lantern, a lightsaber, a little... this is ridiculous. Follow the crew member and we'll get this fixed right away, my friends. Go.
Stay seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right, everyone, seatbelts on, bags by your feet.
Barely drive a car.
All right, with those belts on, pull up on the yellow tabs, everyone. I hit your flashing buttons.
Better now.
Those black clear controls.
This girl's on fire. Oh, God.
Well, see, breathe.
We're going down. Guys, we're crashing. We're gonna crash. Oh, manual. I don't remember.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down.
Oh, no!
Weapons are online. Hit the booster.
Sorry! I can't!
Now let's go get that coaxium. Pilot, make the jump to light speed.
What? Oh my God! Oh my God.
There is the train.
No!
Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've not on to us. They can see the track.
Trying to go! Help me! I'm going!
Open fire. train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the free. The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the Coaxium. You see, just as I promised.
I'm going!
Let's get another container of Coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, in the center.
Yo, I don't know where to
Do
go!
you see those big white things? What you call?
Okay.
Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here!
How did we make it? I can! No, you can't!
Great job, my friend! You retrieved one container of Coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit,
feel like
your
the
cut
landing? That was
minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is
We lost
that was
2,000.
rough.
You guys only shot 22% accuracy. It's because of the girl, you were going like
Time for you to go, and don't worry,